Hello everyone, this is a video from Trend USA. The goal of the video today is to explore the effects of sealants and slip treatments being used on the Trend Origina or Terrazzo or Trend Q product, depending on what you're referring to it as, although they're all the same. It would also apply for the La Veneziana collection. We are going to be working with a few different items today. We are going to be working with 3 finishes specifically in 2 different colors. So we have color 656, which is Black Star, which we will be putting product on a polished finish, a honed finish, and a matte finish. And then we're also going to be working with color 655, White Star, which we have in a polished finish, a honed finish, and a matte finish. The products that we'll be applying today are from a few different manufacturers. The Slip Doctor, both Polish Grip and Stone Grip, are going to be applied to the polished finished products that we're working with today. The purpose of us doing that is to achieve a DCOF for commercial standards. We want to make sure you understand how that affects the overall look of the tile once applied. As far as for the honed and for the matte finish, we are going to be applying StoneTech Bulletproof, which is recommended to be applied prior to grouting on our honed finish currently. And that will seal the tile so it is easier to maintain and clean. And then we're also going to do the same thing with the Miracle Sealants product, Seal and Enhance. So we'll be applying that to both the honed and the matte finish. It's important to note that the honed finish on its own will hit the DCOF rating. So the recommendation for the sealant is primarily to make it a easier product to clean after installation. We'll go ahead and get started. So for the first application, we're applying the Slip Doctor's Polish Grip. As you can see, it goes on and doesn't really have a drastic impact on the overall look, which we'll show a little bit later. We'll go ahead and do the same thing for the White Star. And as soon as they dry, which should be very shortly, we'll show the polished finish next to the polished finish with the application of the Slip Doctor product. So while the look is similar, the treated is on the right, the untreated on the left. The physical touch, not a big distinguishable difference between the two, other than one having more grip than the other, clearly. So that's for the 656. The 655, this is the untreated, this is the treated, and you can see the colors. No noticeable difference, although there is now one that will hit DCOF, one that will not. For our next clip, we're going to be using the honed and matte finish of color number 655 and 656, and we'll be applying onto half of the tile itself the Miracle Sealants Seal and Enhance. The reason we'll be applying it to half of the tile is that it does create a pearlescent look, which it's the only product in our offering that is going to alter the look of the tile slightly, so we felt it important to showcase what that looks like when it does affect the tile. So we've got that on the matte finish for the Black Star. And now, sorry, that first one was the honed finish, and this is the matte finish. It's going to be a more visible difference, as you can see, especially on the darker surfaces. Now applying to the matte, or I should say honed finish on 655 White Star. 655 matte finish. And we will pick this up when these dry off. So, as you can see, you want to wipe off the excess residue as it's applied. Again, following the manufacturer's instructions for all these products is ideal. And there you can see the impact of the look on the matte finish. Now we'll do the honed in the lighter color. Okay. And now a little more evident in the darker colors. As you can see here, the difference between the treated and untreated side for the honed finish, and now for the matte. Next, we'll be putting all of these colors side by side so you can see the treated and untreated tiles to gauge what impact and the look it truly has on our tile. Next up, we will be applying the StoneTech Bulletproof product to our honed finish on both the 656 and 655. So as you can see, when it's applied, it's pretty fast drying in these conditions. And as you can see somewhat from the video, and you'll see more clearly in one of the other clips, it looks very similar to an unapplied, naturally honed finish of our product. Doing the same for the 655. And now we'll be performing the same sealant on our matte finish in 656 and 655. Again, this is the StoneTech Bulletproof being applied to 656 and 655 honed finish. The last clip here is meant to show the difference in color this bulletproof would have on treated versus untreated. On this side we have a treated side, this side is untreated. So you can see here at the top 656 in a honed finish. This is untreated, and on the side you'll see a treated. No difference there. And a 656 in a matte finish, this is untreated versus treated. In 655 White Star, this is a honed finish, treated or untreated versus treated. And then last but not least, we have 655 in a matte finish, untreated versus the treated side over here. So as you can see from the shot, there's no distinguishable difference between a treated and untreated in terms of color on the product itself. However, one is sealed and going to be much easier to clean long term. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you for additional videos in the future.